Picture this. The year is 1947. An unknown object crashes in Roswell, New Mexico, sparking a frenzy of speculation and intrigue. This sets the stage for a saga that has captivated the world for over 7 decades. The enigma of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. In the quiet desert town of Roswell, an event unfolded that would become the cornerstone of UFO lore. An object unlike anything known to man crashed into the earth, leaving wreckage and whispers of the otherworldly in its wake. Before long, the government stepped in, retrieving the debris and insisting it was nothing more than a weather balloon. But the public's imagination had already been ignited. This event marked the dawn of the UFO era, a time when the idea of extraterrestrial life became a topic of mainstream intrigue, and government denials only fueled the fire of conspiracy theories. This incident, shrouded in mystery and government secrecy, was just the beginning. Fast forward to 1952, the U.S. Air Force initiates Project Blue Book, a systematic study of unidentified flying objects. This was not just your usual scientific endeavor. No, this was the government's first real foray into the unknown, the unexplained, the extraterrestrial. At its core, Project Blue Book had a simple mandate: to investigate the increasing number of UFO sightings reported across the United States. The Air Force wanted to know what these objects were, and more importantly, if they posed a threat to national security. Over its 17-year run, Project Blue Book investigated over 12,000 reported UFO sightings. Yet only a fraction of these, about 6%, were left unidentified. The conclusion? The government stated that none of the UFO reports posed a threat to national security, and there was no evidence indicating that the sightings were extraterrestrial vehicles. But this left the public with more questions than answers. If these objects weren't a threat, then why were they so interested in them? And if they weren't extraterrestrial, then what were they? The government's vague responses and dismissal of the unidentified cases only fueled public skepticism and distrust. The seeds of conspiracy were sown. People began to speculate. Could it be that the government was hiding something? Was there more to these unidentified cases than met the eye? These questions, these doubts, they never really went away. They persisted and they grew. Project Blue Book ended in 1969, but the questions and theories continued to multiply. The government's response had opened a Pandora's box, one that could not be easily closed. It had ignited a fascination, a hunger for answers that still burns today. So we're left to wonder what truths may still be hidden, what secrets are yet to be uncovered. We may not have all the answers, but one thing's for sure: the search for truth, for understanding, is far from over. Project Blue Book ended in 1969, but the questions and theories continued to multiply. Moving into the 21st century, encounters with the unknown didn't cease. They evolved. As we navigated the new millennium, UFO sightings took on a new character. No longer were they mere lights in the sky. Now they were complex, intricate phenomena, witnessed and reported by individuals of high credibility and rank. Let's take the infamous Nimitz encounter of 2004 as an example. Here, a U.S. Navy fighter jet, piloted by Commander David Fravor, encountered an unidentified flying object off the coast of Southern California. Described as a tic-tac, this object exhibited flight capabilities far beyond our known technology. This wasn't a random passerby with a blurry smartphone video. This was a trained military pilot with years of experience. Then, there was the O'Hare Airport incident in 2006, when a metallic disc was seen hovering over one of America's busiest airports. The object shot up into the sky, leaving a hole in the cloud cover. Again, this wasn't a solitary, questionable sighting. It was witnessed by multiple airport employees and pilots. And who can forget the New York Times bombshell revelations in 2017? The Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, a once-secret Pentagon program, had been investigating UFOs for years. High-ranking officials were on record stating their belief in the existence of advanced, non-human technology. These incidents are just the tip of the iceberg. As our technology evolves, so too does our ability to capture and analyze these phenomena. High-definition videos, infrared images, radar data all contribute to a growing body of evidence that is increasingly difficult to dismiss. In this era, we're seeing a shift in the narrative. UFOs are no longer relegated to the realm of science fiction and conspiracy theories. They're entering the sphere of serious scientific inquiry, attracting the attention of governments, scientists, and the military worldwide. In recent years, Even the government couldn't deny the existence of these phenomena. The veil of secrecy is slowly lifting, and we're left peering into a universe that's far more mysterious and exciting than we ever imagined. In 2020, the U.S. Department of Defense declassified 3 UFO videos. The reaction was unexpected. This disclosure was not the revelation of hidden alien life forms that many had hoped for, but rather a simple acknowledgement of unidentified aerial phenomena. The government's transparency in this matter, although limited, marked a significant shift from the usual tight-lipped approach to the UFO phenomenon. The public's reaction was a mixed bag, to say the least. For some, it was an affirmation of long-held beliefs that we are not alone in the universe. They saw this disclosure as the government finally admitting to the existence of extraterrestrial life, even if indirectly. Others, however, reacted with skepticism. They questioned the authenticity of the videos, the motives behind their release, and even the timing. After all, the declassification came amidst a global pandemic, leading some to suggest it was a distraction from more pressing issues. But perhaps the most unexpected outcome was the shift in public perception. The stigma associated with UFOs began to dissipate, replaced by a growing acceptance of the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The fringe belief of a few was starting to become mainstream thought. This shift was visible not just among the public, but also within the scientific community. Astronomers, physicists, and other researchers began to openly discuss the possibility of life beyond Earth, a topic that was once confined to hushed whispers in the corners of academia. Yet, even as we inch closer to accepting the existence of extraterrestrial life, many questions remain unanswered. What are these unidentified aerial phenomena? Are they evidence of advanced technology, perhaps even extraterrestrial technology? If so, why hasn't there been more direct contact? As intriguing as these questions are, they highlight a fundamental truth. Our understanding of the universe and our place in it is still evolving. We are on a journey of discovery, one that promises to be as exciting as it is uncertain. The veil of secrecy began to lift, but many believe there's more to the story. Today, the search for truth continues. Theories abound, and the line between fact and fiction blurs. We live in a world teeming with possibilities, a universe filled with the unexplained and the unknown. And when it comes to UFOs and extraterrestrial life, the theories are as diverse as they are intriguing. There are those who staunchly believe that we've been visited and continue to be visited by beings from other worlds. They cite unexplained phenomena, eyewitness accounts, and even government documents as evidence of a vast interstellar conspiracy. They argue that the truth is being kept from us, locked away in top-secret government facilities and hidden behind layers of bureaucracy and disinformation. Then there are those who are more skeptical. They argue that the evidence is circumstantial at best, and that the vast majority of UFO sightings can be explained through natural or man-made phenomena. They point to the lack of concrete, physical evidence and the inconsistencies in eyewitness accounts as proof that we are alone in the universe. And then there are those who fall somewhere in the middle. They acknowledge the possibility of extraterrestrial life, but also recognize the need for solid, verifiable evidence. They are open to the idea, but demand more than anecdotal evidence and speculation. Regardless of where you fall on this spectrum of belief, one thing is clear: the search for truth is an ongoing journey, a quest that drives us to question what we know and challenge what we believe. It's a journey that demands an open mind and an insatiable curiosity. We must continue to investigate, to explore, and to seek answers, even when those answers elude us. As we delve deeper into the universe, peeling back the layers of the unknown, we must not lose sight of the ultimate goal, the pursuit of truth. Because the truth, as they say, may be out there, and it's up to us to find it. From Roswell to the modern era, the saga of UFOs and alien life has captivated us all. We've journeyed through the dawn of the UFO era, witnessed the government's ambiguous responses, and explored the modern era of UFO sightings. We've even delved into the government's recent disclosures and the public's reaction to them. Lastly, we've speculated on a myriad of theories, all in our quest for truth. This mystery, however, remains unsolved. It's an enigma that continues to evolve, inviting us to stay curious, informed, and open-minded. So let's not shy away from asking questions, from seeking answers, and from challenging the status quo. Our journey doesn't end here. In this vast cosmic theater, it's crucial for us to remain vigilant observers, to question, to explore, and to discover. Remember, in the quest for truth, keep your eyes on the skies. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights and revelations. Until next time.